Hello my lovely people, it's your able girl Mercy Mass Blog aka the Ototaye wey dey bring una ogbonge gist all across the world, especially Nigeria. Oya na gbase muna gather your man yarn una the tori as e dey hot. The governor of Imo State wey dem dey call Hope Uzodinma come talk yesterday, which is 12 April 2021, in his office Owerri, the Imo State capital, for the visit when the leader of the northern community known as Shade of Hausa community, the leader name na Alhaji Adamu Baba Sule, come greet the governor of Imo State concerning his support towards them. Say Imo State na the safe place so far for them to live. Since they come, they do their business peaceful, nobody dey disturb them. Because this recent time they don experience some attack for the Imo State, so they come do wetin, thank the governor for his support to put his security to protect them from the people when they attack them. So Hope Uzodinma come assure them say the Hausa stroke Fulani na part of them, so make dem no do wetin, leave Imo State, because na Imo State the Hausa stroke Fulani take dey do their business. Because the Hausa and Fulani dem be wetin, stakeholder in the state. The governor come assure the Hausa stroke Fulani say make dem no worry, because nobody fit drive them away, because they be taxpayer in the state. So make dem no do like ten ant in their own house. Say since dem dey do business here in Imo State, they be Imo people also. The governor come talk say he go give the Hausa stroke Fulani protection or support when he dey give every Igbo man, because na the Hausa stroke Fulani vote for am. So make dem no do wetin, go for any defense say make dem wan defend theirself, dem wan help theirself. No, make dem no worry, the government go help them. The governor come tell the Hausa stroke Fulani people say if dem get any information, make dem come tell them. Say anybody wey dey after the Hausa stroke Fulani people life, e dey also after him own life. But God no go do wetin, allow them make dem succeed for their mission. The leader wey dem dey call Alhaji Adamu also tell the governor of Imo State say abeg make he increase the security for the place wey dem dey live. The governor come promise to put security for where the Hausa stroke Fulani dey reside in Imo State. So now I say ma do wetin come let una know my people. Governor Hope Uzodinma don promise Hausa stroke Fulani people say e go put security for every of their place when they live in Imo State to protect them from any attack. So my question is that Fulani herdsmen with Hausa people when they attack people, now where they come from? No be the same Imo State they stay, so they wan protect them na so that make dem do wetin, keep on dey attack people. What do I know my people? Let's go straight to another news. Yesterday wey be 12 April 2021, the Minister of Aviation don allow the Federal Airport Authorities of Nigeria wey be fan over some information wey they get say some criminal wan attack airports now across the whole country. All the whole big airport wey dey the Nigeria country, say they get information say some people wan come attack them. He call on the airport chief to make sure say their workers dey alert. Say make the workers report any suspicious movement when they see to the authorities. Say the airport when they wan attack, one na Sokoto, one na Kano, one na Maduguri, one na Kaduna, one na Lagos, then the other one na Abuja airport. Na im dey get information say people wan come attack. So make the airport chief alert their worker to be vigilant in any kind of movement, any suspicion wey dem get, make dem report am, because dem no want wetin happen for Imo State to happen to any airport. Now I say ma do wetin, come let una know my people. Let's go straight to another news. So my people, na this man wey una dey see here na we wan talk about. See the man na him dey for up here, so the picture na him dey there, so na we wan talk about. Na him be Kogi deputy governor wey dem dey call Edward Onoja. This man here don buy multi-million naira house worth 50 million naira and cars for one of im mistress wey dey Abuja wey dem dey call Nanko Lipo, while the civil servants in Kogi state dey beg to feed their families because this man no gree pay dem monthly salary. But he dey spend money for who he no even marry, when his state people no dey fit dey take care of themselves and their children. You no fit pay salary to them. You fit buy person house worth 50 million naira and you still buy cars join am. But to receive salary for where na problem. Your wife don divorce you because of wetin you be womanizer. You get 3 children for different mothers. You buy house 50 million naira give your mistress. You still buy car join am, but you no fit pay workers. You no put workers money salary for your budget. So all the whole money wey that state dey get, you dey spend am for women. Well, my people, what do I know? Now I say ma do wetin? Come let una know. Please like, comment, share. Also follow me on my Instagram and YouTube. Stay safe and expect more ogbonge gist.